We're gonna do an old school type empties today, actually, because I really don't have that many items from Dollar Tree and Walmart to really do them completely separate this time. So to get started, I always like to do wipes. So I have 2 of the Powder Fresh baby wipes. You get 72 wipes in here. I usually buy these in the 3-pack. I love the scent. They're nice and thick and saturated. And swatches, all kinds of stuff. Those wipes are awesome. I have Assured brand 100 count cotton balls. I love these cotton balls for nail polish remover. They work wonders. I use them for my witch hazel in the morning as well. And I continue to repurchase those. Those are awesome. I also have a Crest Fruit Burst Incredibles 2 toothpaste. This was Connor's. He really liked this toothpaste, mainly because it had the cool characters on there, but it got the job done. I have a random lint roller, and I picked these up in 2 packs. They're the minis, and they have fun designs on them. This one had like a mermaid design. There's nothing obviously left to show, but it had like a mermaid tail pattern on it. Highly recommend if you do nail stamping or anything you need a lint roller for, like clothing and stuff that you use one on the regular basis. Definitely check out the Dollar General. They have 2 for $1, and the prints are awesome. They're usually in their dollar deal aisle. Let's get the bath bombs out of the way. So I always buy these Spa Naturals luxury bath bombs at the Dollar Tree. 3 for $1, then Lavender Dreams. They do smell like lavender. These are so soothing and nice for the skin. Connor loves bath bombs, and I like these because they make him feel so soft and his skin feels super moisturized, and the scent is nice. And these fizz a little bit slower, so they last a little longer in the tub, which is always nice. And 3 for $1, I mean, hello. In the Walmart haul, I said I was going to save these for Christmas, but because Connor loves bath bombs so very much, and he was actually with me when I picked them up, he begged to use that gnome, the garden gnome one. So I kept the little inserts there, but this was awesome. It was green tea. It kind of tinted the water a little bit green. It did have a light scent, and these fizz way faster than the Dollar Tree ones though. Like literally as soon as it hit the water, it was gone though. Nice big bomb though. Or wool bath bomb. The next one is the fairy bath bomb. This thing was full of gold glitter. I will never have another glitter bath bomb again unless he gets one for like a gift or something. I'm not purchasing them personally. He has naturally curly hair like mama, and his hair was full of gold glitter. His scalp, I guarantee you there is still glitter stuck in his scalp. And yes, so much glitter to clean out of the tub. I mean, it was so packed with glitter. I can't recommend these. Did turn the water colors, had a nice scent, yes, but the glitter was a no-go. Now the next one was both of our favorite. This is the Sea Salt Citrus Mermaid Bath Bomb. This thing smelled amazing. Amazing. Gave him blue water, and it is really nice. Also, these ones that were tinted, they did not stain the tub or anything like that, if you're wondering. Don't stain skin. And this one was just amazing. Like if I was taking a bath, I would have chose this one. Anyways, the scent was so good on this one. And once again, they did fade away very quickly, fizz away in the tub very quickly. I have a deodorant here, Secret Solid Powder Fresh deodorant. This stuff is really amazing. I always repurchase this at the Dollar Tree. 1.7 ounces. You can't beat that for $1. This is name brand. Do not pay over $1. Go check your Dollar Tree first. Amazing deodorant. I love Secret deodorant. It lasts forever. Okay, so next we have makeup wipes. So first we're going to do Bolero, and these are the facial wipes, the pink sea salt and rose water. Love the scent. 30 count. These wipes are usually pretty good quality, saturated, all that stuff. However, this particular pack here were saturated. They were great quality wipes. The only thing I can say though is I don't know what the deal was, but they just did not remove my makeup great in comparison to packs I've had in the past. I don't know why that is, but They just didn't. So I don't think I'll get any more pink sea salt and rose water. I always repurchase these. I always talk about them. They're the Pure and Gentle Makeup Remover Wipes. 30 wipes in here for 97 cents. If you can find these at Walmart, pick them up. They are nice quality, decent sized wipe. In a sense, they don't pull apart. They don't leave fuzzies all over your face or anything like that. Amazing scent to these two. And they remove your makeup very good. Like even eye makeup. I love these. Waterproof makeup, all of it. They remove everything. Highly recommend those for $1. So next up I have face mask. And basically I'm going to show them individually real quick. And then we'll talk about them as a whole. Because they did the same thing. So we have Bolero All That Glitz Facial Mask. We have a Bolero French Lavender and Citrus Mask. And we also have one of these Stella Korean Mask. And this is the Coconut Full Face Mask. So basically, out of all of the masks, I enjoyed this one the most. It was the most moisturizing. Now overall, all the masks do give you a cleansed, radiant kind of feel to your face, moisturizing. The product's not sticky. It absorbs into the skin. These are good masks. Okay, they are. They were all $1. This one was Shop Miss A. They're not anything special in a sense. They just do. They're just basic face mask. Okay, like I said, you will wake up feeling moisturized and radiant, have like a glow to your skin, and you look good. But yeah, just basic face mask. Moving on to the bath stuff, I have a White Rain moisturizing conditioner in the coconut and hibiscus scent. Love this stuff. All summer long I buy this stuff. Any kind of cheap conditioner usually. It could be Suave, White Rain, or the VO5, something like that. Typically in a coconut scent, because in the summertime I shave my legs with hair conditioner. You can shave your legs quickly outside of the shower, outside of the bath, no water needed except for your razor, and using a hair conditioner, if you did not know. And I don't have any nicks or cuts. It gives you a real nice moisturized close shave. Very moisturized. Like, you guys need to try this. You can also use this method in the shower, whatever you want to do. But typically I use it in the summer because when you're on the go and stuff, and maybe you have somewhere to be, or just shave your legs really quickly before you leave. And yeah, it works amazing. I also have a Soft Whispers Coconut Water Splash Limited Edition Body Splash or Body Wash. You can find these Soft Whispers at the Dollar Tree. This was found limited edition scent at the Dollar General in their dollar deals section. Always check out the dollar section for limited edition scents. This smelled so very good. This is always Soft Whispers is a thick body wash. It's not so watery like other dollar body washes. It's nice scents. The scents linger a little bit on your skin, but not super long. Very moisturizing on the skin. You can definitely feel that you got a moisturizing wash, and your skin doesn't feel stripped after using it. You feel clean and moisturized. And I really like this body wash. Another body wash I have here is from Bolero. It's the Coconut and Rose Oil Body Wash. And this says it has a creamy lather and it's moisturizing. I will say that it does have a creamy lather. It's somewhat moisturizing. It's watery body wash, to be honest. The scent was nice but light, and it didn't linger on the skin. You get 13.5 fluid ounces. I would repurchase this. I love the packaging, and it did suds really well, and it did give me a good clean. But overall, like I would say, if you want to feel like super moisturized and things like that, if you're going to only spend $1, I suggest getting the Soft Whispers over the Bolero, because it's not as moisturizing. Now I do have another Bolero product here, and it's the Watermelon and Mint Shampoo Revitalizing Paraben Free Shampoo. You get 16.9 fluid ounces of this. This was good. Just good though. I love the packaging. Once again, you get a fair amount of product for $1. Super cute packaging. I cannot get over that watermelon stuff. Very nice scent. The only thing is, it's watery. It takes twice as much to get your hair clean, get a good lather going. I have very long hair. Like, my hair is down my lower back. It is naturally curly. I have enough hair for probably 3 people or more. Yes, very, very thick, wavy, curly hair. I love my hair, and this didn't so much love my hair. Or my hair did not love this, we should say. It wasn't that it was bad. Like, it's not horrible quality. Like, it did make my hair feel clean afterwards. But it just was such a thin consistency, and the amount of product that you had to use just weren't right, you know? And I don't know that I'll purchase any more shampoos and conditioners unless I'm going to give them as gifts to my sisters because they have straight and thin hair. This is not for me. Like, if you have naturally curly hair, long length and stuff like that, I don't know if this is really for you. I mean, you use twice as much. The scent is super nice though. I do have the conditioner. Also, it's not going to be featured in this video. It is only got about one use left in it actually, and I liked it more than the shampoo. It was very moisturizing on my hair, and once again, I did have to use twice as much product though, because it is slightly a runnier consistency in comparison to other conditioners. Okay, I have another shower gel here. This is the Caress Daily Silk and the White Peach Orange Blossom Silk Essence. This was a sample. I'm getting a big bottle. This was super moisturizing. I don't care if this is $5 a bottle. I need this in my life. So moisturizing. The scent lingered forever on my skin. It lathered. It was nice and creamy and thick. I have some lotions. I have the Spa Naturals Coconut Oil Moisturizing Cream. This is 6 ounces of product. This is a very nice thick coconut oil moisturizing cream. I love this for my legs, really my whole body, but mainly for my legs after shaving. I love this, and this is a good thick moisturizing cream for the upcoming fall and winter seasons. If you guys have not tried this from Dollar Tree, please do. You won't regret it. I also have the Whipped Vanilla and Spice Body Cream from Bath & Body Works. This was also amazing. The scent was fantastic. My favorite time of the year for Bath & Body is definitely the fall time. That is the only time I ever place orders or buy scents, unless I find scents at a yard sale that are summer or spring or winter. But I will only pay full price for the fall scents, just so you know. I love them that much. And I got this last year and I finished it up, and it's nice, thick, creamy, very moisturizing creams. I love their creams. Moving on to the beauty items, I always have at least one of these Onyx nail polish removers, and this is great. It's acetone 16 fluid ounces for like $2.50. You can't beat it. It removes everything, glitters, everything, and does it really fast, and I love that nail polish remover. I have an LA Colors Rapid Dry Nail Glue. I had some breaks in my nails. That's hence why they are so short now, because I had to cut them off. But this worked to bond and seal those breaks for me, and now it's dried up and gone. But I definitely would recommend that LA Colors glue like that, because it's really good. Balm-tastic Skins little chapstick here. It's literally all gone, and it is a super blam lip balm. This stuff was awesome. If I find this again at the Dollar Tree, definitely gonna pick it up. Super moisturizing. Love the scent. So I also have this Tarte, the Rainforest of the Sea. This is a boosting mist for your face, and I like to use this in the mornings, and it's just a sample. Honestly, the sprayer kind of hits you hard in the face. It's not like a light mist, and the scent is okay. It's kind of like citrusy in a way, and I'm not the biggest fan of that, but overall, it's a good little mister for in the mornings. I mean, I would never pay full price for that or anything, because my rose water from Garnier does the same thing, except I like it more. Okay, so I have some nail polishes. The Pro FX Sticky Base Coat. Love this. If you can find this at your Walmart, pick them up. It's a great sticky base coat. I love it. Your nail polish will last forever, seems like, unless the polish itself chips easily, but this really helps grab onto the color and just provide a nice base to prevent from chipping and discoloration of your nails and things like that, staining. Love it. Now, I also love the Nail Aid Sapphire Strength Mega Growth. My nails did grow pretty quickly while using this. They also did get strength added to them, and as a nail treatment, I really like this, and if I find it again, I definitely would repurchase it. Now I have two beauty sponges here. This is Eco and honestly, it's dirty. I don't care. I'm not going to clean the nasty sponge I'm tossing in the trash before I film this, just because, you know, I'm real. This is real life. This is a beaten up sponge, and my nails have like dug into it and everything. Like, it's seen better days. Okay, we got a new sponge. So this is, I loved it though. I will repurchase this Eco sponge because it's amazing. I love it. Highly recommend this one. So soft and really blends out nicely. This is from AOA Studio, I believe, and this is, I think, their Paw Paw one. Anyways, it's dirty as well. Very nice sponges for $1. You cannot, or this was like $1.55. You can't beat it still yet. This was like $5. Look at the size difference and stuff though. But yeah, loved it. It's just, it's nasty. It's on its way out. It's worn its welcome. Last but not least, I'm going to quickly go over some candles here. I have the Citrus Sea Salt candle, Old Williamsburg from the Dollar Tree. These are jar candles. The mason ones did burn very nicely. The scent was great. It did not have a great throw, but the scent was nice. Nice citrus scent. This is the pineapple upside down cake. Unfortunately, I love these jar candles, but look how much candle is left in here. It did not burn right. And the wick is done. Like, that is as far as it goes, and that's like halfway down. Now this one I love the scent of. I wish that it would work, because this one did have somewhat of a throw, because it was a bakery scent, just really nice bakery scent, and yeah, that's unfortunate that happened. This is from Dollar General, and it's the pumpkin cheesecake candle. Burned very nicely, jar, $1. Can't beat that. Honestly, the wick did get too close, and the label started coming off, and I thought the jar was gonna bust. Anyways, this did not have a great throw. It smells great in the jar, but no real throw to that. Overall, it was okay for $1. And I do have another one from Dollar General here, and this is the Maple Belgian Waffles. Now this did have a really nice scent. It filled the kitchen, not a whole like big area, but the kitchen, it was overall nice. Very nice, another maple syrup kind of scent. It burnt fantastic, and I will probably get a big one of these. I like the scent so much. From Walmart, their dollar candles, I have an apple cider donut. Burnt great, not a great throw. Nice bakery scent though in the jar. I would not repurchase a big one of these or another one in general. I mean, it smelled good, but it was kind of faint. This candle here is from Walmart, but I would totally repurchase this one. I purchased so very many of these. This is totally worth the $4 or $5 you spend on it. It almost always burns fantastic. The scent is very powerful. The throw was powerful. It fills up the whole house. Highly recommend that one. And then I have waxes. So this one is this is the Dollar General brand, Pumpkin Pecan Cobbler. Really love this one. You only get 3 for $1. I went back the other day and they didn't have any more. Unfortunately, I love this so very much. It's so amazing. And they're more like of a soy wax also. And I have 2 Better Homes and Gardens waxes here. The Cinnamon Spice is one of my favorites, as well as the Wild Berry Cheesecake. I always repurchase these, and now that they have them in the value size, I always get them in the value size. I think you get 12. Yeah, you get 12 bars in there. And the cinnamon, only use one at a time, because if you use more, like, I feel like if I use more than one, like, it literally will run us out of the house. It's so strong. Same with the cheesecake one. Amazing throw, amazing scent. I highly recommend either of these. And with that said, that is our Empties video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, liked the mini reviews and insight on the products. Let me know if you did. Check the description box for additional Dollar Tree and Walmart links. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And thank you guys so very much for watching.